With insurance costs and deductibles rising rapidly, real estate operators need innovative ways to reduce exposure to risk and mitigate insurance claims. Leo247 has emerged as the most advanced software platform in the multifamily industry to reduce risk and improve loss control measures across large real estate portfolios. Over 2 million units and more than half of the 10 largest apartment operators in the country have turned to Leo247's award-winning operations and maintenance platform to automate risk mitigation and management. Powered by proprietary AI, Leo247 creates a customized risk mitigation plan for each property based on equipment, amenities, and geographic location. Leo247 then provides daily operational guidance that not only gives specific risk management tasks and inspections to perform, but also provides smart workflows that are deployed in response to events that could result in losses, so that the exact steps necessary to mitigate loss are taken at the right time, every time. Along the way, Leo247 captures completion information so senior executives can monitor progress and provide staff with guidance when necessary. When the workflow is complete, managers receive a time-stamped and verifiable detailed log of the compliance history. With Leo247, operators turn policies and procedures into action, creating regular tasks and inspections that reflect internal risk control requirements or even those recommended by their insurance carrier. Examples include risk mitigation inspections, water intrusion prevention, fire and life safety, preventative maintenance, as well as other areas. Provided with daily direction and on-demand instructions in Leo247, nothing gets overlooked by on-site property staff, and management has the ability to monitor compliance and maintenance activities in real time. The flexibility of the Leo247 application enables operators to automate any kind of workflow that they might need. For example, if signs of water intrusion are noted, Leo247 launches a moisture response workflow. If mold is detected while completing that workflow, it launches yet another series of steps to follow for mold remediation. Moreover, Leo247 can automatically alert regional maintenance managers of the issue or any other stakeholder as part of a company's multi-layered risk awareness and mitigation strategy. Leo247 is the perfect solution to prepare for and respond to extraordinary weather events such as hurricanes, tornadoes, and Arctic freezes, or identifying buildings with specific construction types and features that bear extra scrutiny for code compliance or possible defects. Combining Leo247's library of solutions with a company's own policies and procedures, any company can easily deploy a best-in-class risk mitigation program across their entire portfolio in just a matter of weeks. Forget about running your company on clipboards, paper binders, and spreadsheets. The Leo247 AI can reliably deliver the most comprehensive automated risk mitigation process in the industry, with daily tasks and inspections delivered to the right properties at the right time, and processes that are constantly updated and instantly propagated across the entire portfolio, which provides real-time insights into any non-compliance or urgent issues, and creates detailed records on all of the mitigation measures taken throughout the year. You can't afford to take risks in real estate operations. Leo247 makes sure you don't have to.